Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Wait lang guys, medyo mahina yung internet. Naputol-putol.
Thank you.
Hindi ko pa rin nababago to. Wait lang. Bakit Nolan stream to?
Thank you. Thank you.
Wait lang guys ha. Ayusin ko lang. Ayan, okay, wait lang. Sige guys, pa-notify muna.
Thank you.
Wala yung net eh. Wait lang ha. Hello, hello, hello. Dinig pa tayo? Naka-stream pa naman no? Wait lang. Okay, let's go. Bago tayo mag-start, passing micers to you. No! I'm thinking if I should proceed with the stream, parang ang hina kasi ng internet namin. Wait lang ah. Okay, while waiting guys, ilista ko muna yung mga hula nyo. Bladed number 9. Mewtwo 3. Jerwin, ano na, gantayin muna tayo, Jerwin.
Thank you.
Jerwin, ang gantayin lang muna tayo, Jerwin. Bubu Pew 5. Pijan number 2. Angel L number 7. Mocha number 6. Oh, Mocha, parang bago to si Mocha. Mocha, please don't forget to like and share the stream. Neil Rainer Distosoko number 4. Irene Sancho number 8. So guys, meron pa tayong 01, 02, 031 at saka 10. Meron pa tayong 5 guys. Jerwin 6. Jerwin, hula ka na iba pa. 01, 02, 031 tsaka 10 na lang.
Thank you.
Jerwin 01, 02, 031 at saka 10 na lang. One, okay. Okay, meron pa tayong 4 guys. 01, 02, 03, tsaka 10. Ayaw niyo bang humula ng free? Di ba kayo naniniwala sa akin na hindi ko matatanggap ang curse ni Bladed? Ari 01, okay. Yung internet ko mabagal. Mabagal ba guys? Nagalag no? Start from 9 to 19 to 29 to 39 to 49 to 59 and the last 69. I told you it's notify 69 Bladed. Okay, last 3 guys. Hulaan nyo na. Last 3 guys, last 3. All good stream to the jobs. Okay, okay. Meron pa tayong 3 guys. Hulaan nyo muna bago ako magbasa. Okay, sige. Sige, while waiting tayo sa 3 guys. Meron pa tayong 02, 03, tsaka 10. Basahin ko muna yung mga gacha natin.
Thank you.
Okay, wait lang ha. Ay, Naiko, wait lang.
Thank you.
02, 03, tsaka 10 na lang, Naiko. Okay, basa muna tayo guys. Okay, okay. Cloud Cuddle Dream, Red Fruit. Okay, so mayroon siyang deposit reward na attack plus 12, mat attack plus 12, unlock reward na attack 1%, magic attack 1%. Okay?
Thank you.
Tapos sa kanyang description, when the cloud like velvet bathrobe gently embraces you, the boundaries of dreams become blurred and the pouring share this moment of tranquility with you. Okay? So ito yung tsura niya guys. Color parang dark blue na may red. So maganda naman siya. Okay? Then next natin siyang Cloud Embrace Dream. Sugar green. Ito yung sabi ni Bladed na color blue pero green. Yan. Same description siya guys. So, okay naman, maganda ang kanyang tsinelas. Okay, let's go, let's go. Next natin is yung Cloud Embrace Dream Lime. Okay, so ito na yung green talaga, lime eh. So, parang color green na blue kanina. Then meron ang last natin is yung Cloud Velvet Dream Purple Berry. So, ito yung color parang dark purple. Okay, let's go. Naiku 03. Okay, wait lang ha. Wait lang Naiku. Basahin ko lang muna to. So, ang ating headgear para sa lalaki, Pouring Bat Cad Rep Fruit.
Thank you.
Meron siyang max HP plus 4%, damage reduction plus 6%. Deposit reward niya is MD plus 2, max HP plus 30. Okay, ito yung tsura niya. Pag sinuot. Ito, plus yung kanyang counterpart na costume. Ito, yan. Di maganda naman siya, di ba? Okay, then yung Sugar Green na color blue. Ito siya, kulay green. Sugar Green na color blue. Okay. And then yung Pouring Bat Cap Lime. Ito yung kaparis niya na costume. Okay. And then yung Pouring Shower Cup Purple Berry. Ito siya. Okay. And then sa pamabaing headgear, Pouring Sweet Nut Red Fruit. Max HP plus 4%, Magic Reduction plus 6%. Deposit reward is D plus 2, Max HP plus 30. Okay, ito siya, itsura niya. Ito yung Sugar Green na kulay blue. Then Lime. At saka yung Purple Berry. Okay, then meron tayo sa tail guys, yung Celebration Ice Bucket. Water Element damage plus 5%. Damage to Fire Panster plus 5%. Ang kanyang deposit reward is Max HP plus 60. Okay? Tail siya. Okay, yan. Inuman. So, Sleepless Mage naman is yung ating face. Magic AoE skill damage plus 5%. Skill SP consumption minus 5% na may deposit reward na attack plus 6. Okay, actually hindi ko siya gusto talaga i-tour nito. Pero sige, yaman mo na. Then, Pouring Cocktail Dream, which is Penetration plus 4%. Ignore Death plus 4% na meron deposit reward na magic attack plus 6%. Plus 6. Okay, sa kanyang mouth. Okay, yan, tsura niya. And then, ang kanya ating wings is yung back gear is yung Heart Tide Star Wing. All attributes plus 2, physical penetration plus 4%, magic penetration plus 4%, then max HP 90 ang kanyang deposit reward. Okay? Yan. Medyo maganda yung wings niyo, no? Walang masyadong abubot sa likod. Walang masyado, pero meron pa rin. Okay, back na tayo sa ating hulaan. Wait. Sino nag-guess kanina? Si Nike Wilson 03. Okay, wait. Then si Afen Lee 02. And then si Bijong. Ano yan Bijong? Lalagay na lang kita Bijong sa tent kasi wala ka nilagay na number. Okay, mag-start na tayo guys. Patype ako ng 1 guys sa mga nandito na. Patype ng 1 sa mga nandito na. Yung 11 to 20 mamaya na guys. Pagkatapos na itong 1 to 10. Ay 01 sa inong 3 to 10. Okay. Ay! Wait! Sinong isa? Wait! Bakit? Si Afin Lee si Afin. Lee. Thank you Naiko sa pagpuna. Nakamali yung copy-paste. Okay, Boss Aris. Sadya ka ba, Boss Aris? Boss Aris. Sadya ka ba, Boss Aris? Boss Aris, nandyan ka ba? Patay pa ko ng 1 para alam ko nandyan ka, para madali ka mag-screenshot at mag-claim. Boss Aris? Yoo! G daw. Okay, let's go. Wala ka bang gusto paggawa? Dito na tayo mag-roll sa aking bathtub. G na, 01G. Ang ating unang free roll guys ay para kay Boss Ari. Let's go, bibigyan nyo ako ng costume. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, Svartalf Elf Dust. Svartalf Elf Dust. Okay, next si Afen Lee. Afen Lee, nandyan ba si Afen Lee? Sorry, Boss Aris. Antayin mo na lang yung 11 to 20 mamaya. Asa na si Boss Afen Lee, are you there? Please type 1. Let's go. Second free roll. Oh no, same. Naiku Wilson, are you there? Pero baka may mga gusto kayo ipagawa guys, okay lang. May mga ritual kayo gusto para makakuha kayo ng... Guys, ganito yun na. Pag nakakuha kayo ng any costume headgear, meron kayong red and blue codes. Kapag automatic costume, 2 red and blue codes. Kapag relic or yung wings, red and blue codes. Yan. Okay? So, dapat i-screenshot nyo and then send nyo sa page ko para makuha. Okay? Nandiyan ba si Naiku Wilson? Tapos kapag wala masyadong nanalo, ibig sabihin malas ako sa roll, magpa-pouring race na lang tayo mamaya sa bandang dulo ng stream, okay? Malinaw ba? Nike Wilson, ang ating subscriber, nandyan ba? Ako nakatulog na naman. Naiku, nandiyan ka ba? Number 1, okay, let's go. Third free roll. Ay wow, costume shard agad. Okay. First shard. Okay. Naiku, paki-screenshot to. Naiku, paki-screenshot, send mo sa page ko para maklaim mo yung red and blue codes mo. Congrats. Pakasabi na ko kung na-screenshot mo na. Wait lang, Boss Arnel. Pagka 11 to 20, tsaka kayo mag-notify. Nasa amin ng sumpa, sabi ni Bichong. O diba, winner? Ayaw nyo maniwala kasi sa mga free roll eh. Okay? Si next natin si Boss Jerwin Bergado. Jerwin Bergado, nandyan ka ba? Ating first ticket roll, si Sir Jerwin. Oh, Sir Jerwin. Jerwin Bergado, nandyan ka ba? Guys, the plan is cursed till 69 roll before caution. No! They dead, go away! I only have 744 tickets bladed. I cannot go 69. Ito ba si Jerwin? Jerwin, nasa ka na? Nawala na si Jerwin na. Okay. Our sabi natin ito na yung fourth roll or first roll ng ticket. Okay, first roll ng ticket. Let's go, costume. Will you love doing 69? Oh well. Okay, Jerwin Bergado, number 4. Okay, let's go. Wow, swerte naman. Headgear, male. Jerwin. Paki-screenshot, Jerwin. At send mo sa page ko para makuha mo yung red and blue codes mo. I told you, Bladed, the bathtub is very lucky. You have to go to the bathtub to roll, okay? Jerwin, pakasabi pag na-screenshot mo na. Jerwin, pakasabi kapag na-screenshot mo na para mag-proceed na tayo sa next roll. SS Dan, okay? Okay, P3. Are you there, P3? P3, ano yan, bubuyog? Bubuyog, sabi ni Ernel. P3, Pijan, nandiyan ka ba? Time to bring the bathtub curse to everyone. Hi, Bladed. You have to move on. Okay, number 2. Second roll. Let's go, second roll, guys. P3. Yan, Oracle Crystal. I'm sorry, P3. Next, yes. Number 3, Mewtwo. Mewtwo, are you there, Kitty Pau? Kitty Pau, are you there, Kitty Pau? With all powers combined. So, I wish costume, okay? Mewtwo, number 3, let's go. Morakoy, sama-sama na yung mga nagko-course sa akin. Okay, next roll. Neil Rainier Dichoso ko. Ba? Sir Neil, nandiyan ba si Sir Neil? Sir Neil, are you there, Sir Neil? Grabe yung comment ni P3, oh. Sinakap yung chat box ko dun, oh. Puro G. G-Boss, let's go. Number 4. That like your style, ELC. Okay, Bubu Pew, number 5. Bubu Pew, number 5. Hindi ko pala nasabi ito yung gusto kong costume, guys. Ito ang gusto kong kuning costume, mamaya kukunin natin sa mamaya sa bandang huli. Okay, Bubu Pew, are you there, Bubu Pew? G, let's go. Number 5. Oh, second shard. Second shard for Bubu Pew. Bubu Pew, please screenshot, send to my page, including your ID and IGN to get your random blue codes. Please tell me if you're done screenshot. Maganda yung white. Oh, maganda yung white, Arnel. Yun talaga yung gusto ko. Hey, hey, hey. Your curse is not powerful here, Bladed. I have the anting-anting. Ano ba yung anting-anting sa English? Ano yung anting-anting sa English, Bijong? Okay, congratulations, Bubu Pew. Okay, Mocha. Mocha, are you here? It's your first time in my stream, Mocha, right? Don't forget to like and share the stream, Mocha, okay? Wala bang pink mas bagay sa'yo? Purple berry yata yun. Pero hindi siya pink eh. Walang pink na pink talaga eh. Go, go! Okay, Mocha, number 6 roll. Extract like crystal, I'm sorry. Better luck next time. Angel L, are you there? Amulet, yun. Talisman. Oh. Bladed, I have the talisman. Your curse is not powerful here. I summoned the unlucky ones. Kakashi Yaden. No! Don't summon Evil Ryu and Kazel here. Angel L, are you there? Go, let's go. Number 7. For Angel L, let's go. Oracle Dust. Oracle Dust. Okay. Irene Sancho, yung nagbigay ng costume kay Bladed. Bibigyan ba ako ng costume ni Maningning? Maningning, nandyan ka ba? Maningning, Maningning. Yes. Dahil si Maningning ang nagbigay ng costume kay Bladed, siya ang unang BCC role ko kasi kukunin ko yung white costume. So, siya ang bibigyan ko ng first BCC role. Okay? BCC role to si Maningning ha. Okay, let's go. First BCC role. Okay, third shard. Napakaswerte naman ni Maningning. Third shard. Okay, Maningning, paki-screenshot, send sa page ko para makuha may red and blue codes mo. Asan si AC Sancho? Congratulations, Maningning, paki-screenshot. Send mo sa page ko para makuha mo yung red and blue codes. Napakaswerte mo ngayon ha, pati kay Bladed ha. Hindi naman costume pero costume shard, okay na rin. Our course is not working, Bladed. Yes, your course is not working here. Dan SS, okay, let's go. So, 9th roll is Bladed. Bladed, do you want me to do something for your role? For your role, do you have any ritual? Do you want me to go to your house? Si Bladed pa ata magbibigay ng costume. Okay, for our 9th roll for Bladed, let's go to Bladed's house. No, just go till 69th roll. No. I will go to your house and will eliminate the curse in your house, okay? I will exorcise your home. You know, I feel some negativity in this home. see that? You see that? You see that? I see, ano, I see, sino ba yung manika na yun? Annabelle, I see Annabelle here. I see Annabelle in your house. I see Annabelle in your house, Bladed. This is the cursed doll. Yun, nawawala ang internet ko, guys. Hoy, Kakashi, what are you doing? Kakashi, what are you doing, Kakashi? Bijong, nandiyan pa si Bijong? Bijong, are you there? I thought it was only me. Oh no. Hindi, kanina pa. Kanina pa kasi nagre-reconnecting yung Streamlabs ko. So, i-roll ko na lang to sa bahay ni Bladed. G, sa harap ng gacha machine. Okay. Sa harap daw ng gacha machine. Okay, let's go. Kunin ko muna to. Dito ba? Dito ba? Oh yes, Bladed, your role is Nolan. Okay, I will give Bijong my third BCC role, okay? Bladed is my third BCC role. Ay, Bijong pala. Bijong is my third BCC role. Okay? Let's go. 10 troll, guys. 10 troll. Yeah, malas talaga si Bijong. Oracle Crystal. Okay? Inisin ko muna, bago tayo magbukas ng Knockspot. Okay, 11 to 20 tayo, Okay, sige, pwede na mag-notify. 11 to 20, guys. Arnel, 12. Kakashi, 20. Angel, we already have 12. Please change. Darwin, 14. Angel, please change. Bijong, 16. Angel, 13. Mewtwo, 11. Guys, for those already won, please doon na lang tayo sa polling days mamaya kasi bigyan natin ng chance yung iba. Graded 19. Michael 18. Michael 18. Derwin 17. Okay, you will be 15, okay? Okay, let's start again from 11 to 20. Okay, let's go. So let's go back to our house. Kung meron kayong mga request na bago kayo mag-roll, guys, sabihin nyo sa akin. Okay, andiyan ba si Mewtwo, are you there? Mewtwo, are you there? Mewtwo is our 11th troll. Go, go, go! Okay, 11 for Mewtwo. Let's go. Eleven troll. Let's go. Oracle Dust. Oracle Dust. Okay, better luck next time. Arnel Abila. Where is Arnel Abila? Okay, bibigay natin kay Arnel ang ating 4th BCC roll kasi ka-guild ko to. 4th BCC roll ko kay Arnel. Okay. 4th BCC roll para kay Arnel. Let's go. Diba ako ng costume shard or costume? Wala, gram dust. Angel L. Nasaan na si Angel L? Angel L, are you there? Pero tinatanggal ko para swerte. Go, 13 troll angel. Enchantment crystallization. Easy. Easy na lang haba eh. Okay, Darwin. Andiyan pa si Darwin. Makaka-MVP ka next pouring roll. Sabi ni Arnel. Hindi, magka-craft ako Arnel eh. Magka-craft tayo ng ano yun, moon something. Yung garment ni ni Fenrir. Okay, G daw sabi si Darwin. Let's go. 14th roll, Darwin. $500 Nolan. Makapag-craft na ako nito puro Nolan Okay, Mocha, are you there, Mocha? Mocha, are you there? Okay. Since Mocha is the first time here in the stream, I will give Mocha my 5th BCC roll for the white costume. Okay. Mocha is the BCC roll. Let's go. Oh no, Mocha like Mora Koi. So we already got the white costume. Ako, Bidyong, ano? Ito naman si Bidyong. Punta nga ako sa bahay ni Bidyong. Bidyong. Dito tayo sa bahay ni Bidyong, tayo manggulo guys. Dito tayo mag-roll. Ang bahay ni Bidyong, walang bathtub. Ay, ito taas. Taas yung bathtub. Ay, di pwede makigamit. Ang damot naman ni Bidyong. Ang damot ni Bidyong ay paggamit ng bathtub. Ay paggamit ng rubber dicky niya, oh. Rubber ducky ba? Rubber dicky. Yung rubber ducky niya ayaw niya paggamit. Napakadamot. Okay, dito na si Bidyong. Mag-roll na tayo kaya kay Bidyong. Number 16. Si Bidyong. Ayun na nga, yung pang-apat na shard. Swerte mo naman, Bidyong. O Bidyong, screenshot mo. Send mo sa page ko para makuha mo yung red and blue code ko. Makasabi kapag done ka na ng screenshot. Yes, isa na lang. Ari, adyan pa pala Ari. Isa na lang. Next natin si Jerwin. What is luck? No, Bladed is still here. Jerwin, punta tayo sa bahay ni Jerwin. Misagak Yoshi. Tama ba? Summon the unlucky one. No, don't summon Chen. Sali, sabi ni Joel Chua. Boss, mamaya pagdating ng 21 pataas. Pero kapag nakuha ko yung 5th shard, titigil na ako. Magkapa-pouring race na lang tayo. Meron bang bathtub to, Jerwin? Ang daming bathtub. Grabe. Nagbibenta ka ba ng bathtub, Jerwin? Jerwin, nagbibenta ka ba ng bathtub? Ba't ang daming bathtub dito? Sabi, dapat bumili ka na lang ng swimming pool eh. Okay, let's go. Para sa 4 na bathtub ni Jerwin. Number 17. 17 troll para sa 4 na bathtub ni Jerwin. Let's go. Shard pa to o costume? Ayun, tapos ang laban. Dapat pala maraming bathtub. So alam mo na, Bladed, you know now how to test your luck. You must roll on the bathtub, okay, of every house. Oh, Jerwin, paka-screenshot. Para makuha mo yung codes mo, Jerwin.
Okay, Bladed, you know what to do now, Bladed? You need to draw on the bathtub. You need to roll on the bathtub, okay? Tinapos mo naman agad, caution na yung sa akin. Tatapusin naman natin yung tatlo. Report this sucker. Okay, we will finish until 20th roll, guys. And then we will make a pouring race. What color will I get? Wait. So wait. We roll first for Just Mellow. Just Mellow, may papagawa ka ba? Just Mellow? Punta tayo kay Just Mellow na bahay. Just Mellow. May bathtub ka ba sa bahay mo, Just Mellow? Walang bathtub. Dito makakuha ng code, walang bathtub. Walang bathtub. Wala yung bathtub. Dito na tayo, border house to na walang bathtub. Okay, Just Mellow, number 18. Aray ko. Pusa na agad, wait. 30M. I'm sorry. Di naliligo. Di ka daw kasi naliligo kaya walang walang code eh. Okay, Bladed. Bladed. Let's go to Bladed House again. Maybe Annabelle is not there anymore. Nakikiligo sa bahay ni King Jaguar at Kami. Ay, dapat pala dito sa malaki. Dapat sa malaki tayong bathtub. Ay, hindi pa pwede dito. Akala ko pwede. Hindi pala pwede doon. O dito na lang. Okay. 19th roll, guys. 19th roll for Bladed. Let's go. Talaga, Oracle Dust. And for our last roll, Kakashi Yate, Evil Ryu, our last roll. Since we already got 5 shards, we will be going to make a pouring race na lang, okay? Okay, Kakashi, are you ready? Maybe this will be a costume, Kakashi, you don't know. Okay, nakatipid tayo ng tickets. Magpa-pouring roll na lang tayo. Mora coin. So parang 17th roll, no? So I get the 5th shard from the 17th roll. Okay, let's combine now.
Ito na lang, ito yung maganda eh.
Sabihin kay ano? Ito natin kay Benson. Wait, tignan ko nga. Para hindi kami pare-parehas. Iba daw dapat kami ng ano eh, ng costume eh. Yung kay, meron si Kurt, yung light blue, tsaka yung white din. Si Benson, ano kinuha ni Benson? Ah, yung light blue. O di kunin ko na lang yung dark. Suotin muna natin, guys. Wala pala ako headgear ng white. Pangit. Wait. Yung ano na lang, yung headgear na lang ng costume ko. So again guys, yung mga nanalo, don't forget to PM me your screenshot. Kasama ng ID tsaka IGN to get your red and blue codes ha. Wait lang. Suotin ko lang to guys, tapos magpa-pouring race na tayo. Asan yung costume ko? Ayun. Okay, pouring race na. Pouring race gate. Wait lang. Anong kulay ito kinuha natin? Red fruit. 17 troll. Red fruit. Okay, paki-like na lang to guys. Kukuha tayo dito ng 5 winners ng red and blue codes. Yes, Mama Joy, late ka na. Sorry. Paga natin nakuha yung 5th shirt eh. Paki-like na lang to guys. Set ko lang yung pouring race habang nag-like kayo. Yes, maganda talaga yung white. Paano ba yung pin code? Pin comment. makita. Wait. Yan. Okay, please like the pinned comment, guys. Next month should let Teto stream first. Then I told you not to stream, right? I told you to stream together, eh. You don't need to type the hashtag, guys. You just have to like the comment, okay? Like the app comment or the pinned comment, guys, to join. So we will give 5 red and blue codes for the viewers, okay? Okay, Mama Jai, pwede ka pa sumali dyan sa sa pouring race. Sa mga hindi nanalo, guys, yan ang pagkakataon nyo. Pag-like na yung pinned comment para tayo makapag pouring race na. So meron na tayong 8. Bakit di ko makita dito yung comment, yung ano? Wait lang ha, di ko makita yung mga comments. Ano ko pipikapin to? Siyam na. Buta na ang ating mismo yung stream. Buta na ang ating mismo. Okay, 9 lang guys. Wala na sasali. 9 lang. So, i-like mo na lang yung pin comment trap para makasali ka sa pouring race. Pag-like yung pinned comment para makasali kayo sa pouring race, guys. Okay, mag-roll tayo in 4:05. Okay? So, meron tayong 14 viewers. Meron pang 5 hindi nag-like dyan. Paki-like na po yung pin comment para makasali kayo sa pouring race para manalo kayo ng red and blue codes. Okay, last 4 minutes, guys. Yung pin comment, trap, i-like nyo. Teka, ayaw ma-like. Bakit? Tap natin. Yan, 10 na. 11 na, okay. Sige, 4:05 guys, i-roll na natin. So meron tayong lucky 5 viewers na mananalo ng red and blue code. 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, please like the pinned comment guys to join the pouring race. Please like the pinned comment to join the pouring race so you could win the red and blue code. Okay? Meron pa sasali, meron pa. Na-like mo na, drop, no? Okay, last 2 minutes, last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes, let's go. Ayan, may 12. May mabol pang 12. Okay? Last 2 minutes bago tayo mag-roll, guys. Last 2 minutes sa mga mag-like na. Ayan, 13 na. Isa na lang, kaparehas na ng ating viewers. Isa na lang.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, last 1 minute. Last 1 minute, guys. At kukunin na natin ng mga nag-like sa ating pinned comment. Tignan nyo muna yung pangalan nyo kung nandito na. Bladed, Bubu Pew, Angel L. Mocha, AC Sancho, Jerwin Bergado, Pijan, Rap Popularcon, Sir Levantin, Michael Galanga, Miranda, Pepper John Nyere, Mewchu, and Darwin. Okay, so meron tayong 13. So 8 dito ang hindi makakatanggap ng code. Okay, ang ating first code winner I see. Sino na una? Michael Galangan Miranda, Matras. Okay, sino na? Sino? Si Mocha na may turtle headgear. Pepper Joe na nakasakray. Okay, Darwin na naka-nurse cap. Sino pa? Kaya natin natin, sino man nanalo? Oh, it's Bubu Pew. Bubu Pew, this is your second code, right? Wow, so lucky. Bubu Pew, please comment claim. Bubu Pew, for your second code, right? This is your second code because you guessed the, I think the first or second shard. Okay, please comment exclamation point claim Bubu Pew. Thank you. Then screenshot, send to my page, then your ID and IGN. Okay? Claim on behalf of Bubu Pew. Okay, I cannot like your comment. Okay. Oh, it's okay. Second winner, let's go. Okay, Mewtwo with the Munacat. Okay, now who's leading? Still Mewtwo. Michael Galangan Miranda naka-smile mask. Rap Popularcon na naka-eggshell view. Michael Galangan Miranda, na ba to? Oh no, it's Mocha. Mocha with the flower red flower. Our first viewer, Mocha, has won. Okay, Mocha, please comment claim if you're there. Screenshot, then send to my page to claim your red and blue codes, okay? Mocha, are you there, Mocha? Mocha, are you there? Claim, okay. Please. Ayaw talaga manalo. Pangalawang ano mo na yan. Mike, just Melo. Okay? Mocha, please screenshot, send to my page to claim your codes, okay? Okay, our third winner, let's go. Third winner, Pepper Joan na may crown jewel crown, headgear. Pijan na nakasanta hat. Michael Galangan na naka-Baphomet headgear. Nangunguna na si Jasmelo. Si Jasmelo na ba to? Kaso Matras. Rap Popularcon na naka-bunny hat. Kaso Matras. Nako, sino na ba? Okay, nanalo na si Jasmelo. Sa wakas. Okay, Michael Galangan Miranda, pa-comment ako ng exclamation point claim. Jasmelo, paki-screenshot, send sa my page, to my page para makuha mo yung Red and blue codes mo, isama mo na yung ID tsaka IGN mo, okay? Nanalo din, claim, okay? Let's go for our fourth winner. Fourth winner, let's go. Fourth winner. Sino na una? Rappable ko na naka pinchin na eyeglass. Bladed na naman smile mask. AC Sancho na jewel crown. Angel L. Mewtwo na may mansala sa mukha. Rappable ko nag-boost. Kaso nanalo si Jerwin Vergado. Sorry Rap, puntikan ka na. Rappable Icon. Jerwin Vergada, pa-comment ako exclamation point claim. I think pangalawang code din to ni Jerwin. Tama ba? Yun na ng ng pagko-commentate ko, no, Rap. Jerwin, nandiyan ka ba, Jerwin? Kala mo talaga umamusume, Race. Claim. Okay. Jerwin, paki-screenshot, send sa my page ko. Kasama na si ID at saka IG mo. At ang ating last winner for this stream, last winner will be... Let's go! Third mo na ba yan? Isang beses ka lang nanalo sa race, ay, sa guest, Baka sa ibang stream. Pero dito sa guest, sa Gacha Showcase, pangalawa mo, tama? AC Sancho na naka-stop po hat. Si AC Sancho na ba to? Rappable Icon. Oh no, it's Pepper Joe Anyere na naka-eggshell view. Pepper Joan, nandyan ka ba? Paki-comment ako ng exclamation point claim. Pepper Joan Nyere, are you there? Pepper Joan Nyere. Send mo sa page ko kasama ng ID tsaka IGN mo. Aray ko, sabi ni Rap. Okay guys, and that's all for today's video. Oh, please. Nakikita niyo yung character ko. Masayang naliligo sa bathtub ni Bladed. At saka kitang-kita si Annabelle. Si Annabelle dun sa likod, oh. Hi, Bladed! Thank you guys for joining my stream, guys. See you again. Meron pa akong stream? Meron pa akong stream, guys. Explore quest number 2, guys. So, kailangan nyo lang ako i-hug. Then, kung gusto nyo manalo ng warm, anong tawag doon? Meron title yun eh. Isisend nyo na sa Discord yung screenshot ng hinag nyo ako. Then, merong mechanics doon. Ano yung lalagay nyo kasama ng screenshot. May makuha kayong title. Gagawin natin ang stream ng Wednesday, 1 PM, okay? Thank you guys, and see you again. Bye-bye!